Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back again in the middle of the night with another unboxing. I have finally bought myself a phone cleaner. It's not a phone soap. Phone soap is a company, and that is their brand name. And for as long as I can remember, 20 years ago until today, I washed my phone. This is not my phone, it's just my case because I'm filming with my phone. But I wash my phone daily with hand sanitizer, alcohol, bacteria killing alcohol spray. And when I'm on the go, because I do this several times a day, and when I'm on the go, I have alcohol wipes. And I'm very surprised that other people doesn't do that. Even people that I think are clean, they don't wipe off their phone. Maybe they do like this, maximum. But I shower with my phone. I clean it. Almost as often as I clean my hands. And these are the best. Hand alcohol. This is the one that the doctors use. The wipes are absolutely good enough, but they leave strikes. I think it's called strikes on the glass. But in emergency, they are good. These are the best. So I use a microfiber towel and this. And what I wanted to say is that for many years now, I think the first time I heard of phone soap was maybe 5 years ago, 4 years ago, and they did not ship to Sweden. And a couple of years later, I saw them on Amazon Germany or Amazon UK or something. And then they had the larger case that they call home soap. And that was nice. I wanted to get both of them, but the home soap fit like an iPad. I wanted to fit my keyboard, my PC keyboard. That did not fit. And then it just got too expensive with the both of them. And they're quite expensive and the shipment was quite expensive. But now, since COVID-19, there's popped up a bunch of them. And this one is from InvisibleShield that I think are owned by, or at least owned together with Belkin. And I like InvisibleShield products. I've used their screen protectors for many years now. I like Belkin products. And this one was available to pre-order here in Sweden by a Swedish dealer. And I don't remember the price, but I think it was quite okay, like $70 maybe. I bet it's half the price in US. And yeah, so first of all, it was available pre-order. So I got this one yesterday and I ordered it maybe 1.5 months ago. And there was a couple of things that I like except from the price. The ones from Phone Soap are very, they have a bunch of products now. They have one with wireless charging. The one that I wanted just had room for the charging cable, so you can have it in the case all night while charging. So what all these products does is that they have UV light that claim to kill 99.99% of all bacteria. And why I didn't bother about the phone soap where I can charge it and have it in all night is because they say that it only takes 5 minutes to kill 99.99% of all germs. And I think that my UV flashlight should be able to do the same thing. But then I have to have it like 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there, yada, yada, yada. So why not just buy one of these? And yeah, what I wanted to say, the price was nice and the size was nice because I want to use this to as many products as I can. I'm gonna put the camera closer, of course. But this is for phones, but it also says, my point is that I want to put my car keys in there as well. For my car keys today, I have a jewel washer, you know, the micro bath thing, micro bubbles bath, I don't know, that you clean jewels with. I will use them with alcohol and I clean my car keys. But since I'm gonna put everything that fits in here, I'm gonna put in here. But it says on the instructions, sanitize other objects with non-porous smooth surface. And they have a picture of an Apple Watch. Of course, I'll do the same with the Apple Watch with hand sanitizer. So clean surfaces. I can put my EDC knives here. I'm gonna put my keys here, but I don't know if they will do any good. And what you often see with your phone, especially you women with makeup, you see that the screen has smudges on it, looks greasy. This will not remove the grease. Hand gel, alcohol gel, hand sanitizer will do that. It will wipe the screen totally clean. This one will only kill the germs, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna try it and get back to you. Not for that, because I have smudges on my phone, but when I use hand cream, of course, the screen gets smudges or look greasy. I think I'm babbling too much. So yeah, I'm gonna put everything here. And as you see, I have the iPhone SX Max. It fits perfect. You can have a larger phone. I thought it was going to be bigger actually. Let me put a pair of car keys here. I can't close the lid perfectly. Yeah, I can, yeah. And there is a magnet there, so maybe it won't start if not the case is totally closed. But as I said, I'm gonna try it out and get back to you. I'm gonna, yeah, be right back. Surprisingly, it comes with a USB-C cable and it's quite long. I'm probably gonna use this just by the computer while I sit by the computer. I don't know if we're gonna have it by my bedside, but so USB-C cable, quite long enough, and just plug it in to whatever you can. And once again, just using my case, and just press the start button. And when I press the start button, it says 25%, and then it's gonna go to through the 4 flashes. So 25, 50, 75, and 100%. And let me see. Yeah, it still glows even if you, okay, then it stops. So if you lift the lid, it's gonna stop, which means that if it doesn't have connection with the magnet, it's not going to work. But I'm a bit surprised. I thought that it was going to have stronger lamps. So I'm guessing that you only have the small lights on the sides, and then it uses the case to bounce the lighting all around. Because as you can see, this one is a strong one. So this is really strong, this light. So yeah, I'm guessing the phone soap are stronger. I think it has lighting like underneath and on top, in the lid and on the bottom. This one only has 3 on each side. But hey, it says it's gonna kill 99.99% of all germs. So of course I'm going to use it, but I'm pretty sure I'm still going to use the hand sanitizer, because as I said, it won't remove the smudges, the grease from your screen, phone screen. It's just going to kill the germs. So for me as a germaphobe, it feels great, but I'm still going to complement this one with hand sanitizer. And seeing the lights that are really weak, I could have done, just do this instead for 5 minutes. Just hang it somewhere and let it sit like that for 5 minutes. If it works like that, I'm not sure, but I think it should work like that. So that's the InvisibleShield UV sanitizer. Might be the cheapest one out there, at least it's the latest one out there. As I said, I pre-ordered it and it just came, so I'm not sure if it's in store yet, but this is the latest of them all. And you can see these kind of products now on Kickstarter and everything, because people has finally understood that you need to wash your hands, you need to be clean, don't spread germs, and for God's sake, clean your phone, because you use your phone everywhere, you touch it all the time. So what's the use of cleaning your hands if you're not cleaning your phone? So use anything of these products to clean your phone. Don't just wipe it off. So thanks for watching. Ask me if you have any questions. I'm gonna try it out. I don't think I need to update this video with that. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Good night.